So over here, you can see that certain resources has been assigned onto the different tasks right here. But what you can also do is access the assign resource option for more control. So to do that, you can select out a task that you want to assign the resource to, and then click on the assign resource button under the resource tab right here. So once you go around and click right here, you can see that this is what you have right here. You can see that cameraman, cinematographer, and crew member are assigned to this particular resource. You can go around and remove out the resource right here, and then the resource will be removed out right here. You can go around onto, let's say, for example, go to editor, and let's say I want to assign it to this particular task. Then you can go around and click on assign right here, and the resource will be assigned right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around over here onto any other resource right here, like first aid, and you can go around and assign it over here as well. If I were to go to editor, you can also replace out the resource right here. For example, if I were to go to resource, then you can go around and replace it out right here with a crew member, let's say for example, and press OK, and the resource has been replaced out with crew member. You have the resource list option over here. For example, you can filter out the resource in the by the availability to work right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and let's say filter it out by 7 hours or 8 hours and so forth right here, the availability of the work hours is filtered out, and you can see that storyboard artist is free, so you know like whom to assign right here. Let me just go around and remove this right here, and you can see that they are not available to work 2 hours a day. So if you want to go around and filter it out by, let's say, the availability of work for that particular task, then you can work around with that accordingly. If I were to go around onto different tasks right here, you can see for script writing, storyboard artist is available right here for most of the tasks, as you can see, who has availability of work for 2 hours for that particular task right there. And that is how you can go around with assigning of a resource option inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.